Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action perspective, but this was all happening on well above average volume. And I'm not going to quite call it a pump and dump because that wouldn't be fair, and I'll explain what I mean by that. But it's definitely very close to being a pump and dump. A pump and dump being defined as something where the price makes an awesome move up and then all of a sudden goes back to where it was. But like I said, a great move upwards, a nasty pullback, but the price didn't technically crash. And the reason why I made the comment about, to be fair is, well, from a big picture point of view, the price does still have the opportunity to show some signs of progress, which in my opinion is why 61 cents, very, very important. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but let's say that the price comes down to 61 and then just continues on down. At that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, at least at that point, you now have some progress being made in the upwards direction. Now, I realize that is a matter of perspective. If you're a scalper or day trader and you bought right there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. So this comment is definitely being geared towards somebody with a big picture point of view. So that's why you can't say, without being, if you're going to be fair, that this is a total pump and dump, because yeah, the price does still have the opportunity to build that higher stair step. So we'll see if the price can get that done or not. But yeah, if the price just crashes down through 61 cents, then at that point, like I said, from a literal perspective, that's putting the price right back to where it started. And that's just not a sign of any sort of legitimate power at all. But we'll see how this one goes over the next couple of days. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.